Hey YouTube, Carlo here. Welcome to today's episode, and for today's vlog, I'm going to unbox this haul that I have from OFF-WHITE Manila. So Off-White has a shop here in the Philippines, and I dropped by their shop over at Rockwell, and I got myself two bags, one backpack, one small pouch that really looks cool, and I was also able to get another Off-White pair of kicks, but this time from another seller. So we'll unbox both bags and then the shoes. If that excites you, if you want to see what's inside this bag, keep on watching. Let's go. By the way, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure that you do so because we are about to do our 11/11 giveaway. So the mechanics of that giveaway can be seen. I'm like doing a Matteo Guidicelli unboxing because I literally just destroyed the box. But my point is, check out the link to the giveaways. It's down below. I'm giving away a Yeezy Zebra, Yeezy Boost 350. So just check the mechanics, subscribe. Keep on watching. Let's go. Okay, so first up, we have this really small like necklace pouch, which is great for carrying your cards, your cash, as well as your smartphone. So if you want to carry light, for example, you're going out of the house, you're going to the convenience store, and you just want to wear something around your neck that carries everything, this works really well. So it's made out of really high quality leather. It has the icons of Off-White and the Off-White logo over here. It has some sort of like paper clip, I don't know, like zipper. So what you do is you just wear it like so around your neck, and you can put your phone as well as your card, some cash, maybe even your keys inside this pouch. So right now I have my cards. I usually put my phone in here, and if I need to go out of the house and I don't want to carry like a big bag or a wallet, this works really well. So what do you guys think of pouches like this? Let me know if you like it. Let me know if it's something that you guys would wear. So it's very simple, very easy to use. Doesn't have to be Off-White. The point is it's like a necklace type of pouch that you can easily bring with you when you are going out. So that's the first item that I got, an Off-White like necklace leather pouch. Second item that I have is this really nice Off-White active duffel slash backpack. When you usually think of Off-White bags, they sell for ridiculous prices. They usually go for anywhere from 50,000 all the way up to maybe around even like 100 grand, 100,000 pesos here in the Philippines. It's roughly 2,000 US. This one sells for around, I think, around 20,000 pesos or less than that. So it's really just a simple duffel slash backpack. Usually works as a great gym bag, or if you just want something to bring like a bunch of stuff or like your clothes. It works really well, very lightweight. In terms of branding, you just have the diagonal arrows. You have Off-White written in different parts of the bag. It has one main compartment inside, so let's pop it open so you guys can take a closer look. And if you pop it open, it has one big compartment over here. We can put your clothes, your shoes, your laptop, and then it has this zippered compartment as well, and it says over there Off Active. So it is part of their active wear, which makes it more on the affordable side. So anytime it is active wear from Off-White, it's usually a little bit cheaper, a little bit more affordable. So that's the second item that I want to show you, this Off-White backpack duffel. Now the last item I want to unbox is a new pair of sneakers from Off-White. Again, I wasn't able to get this from Off-White Manila. It was through another seller. So this is the Off-White rubber dunks in a different color. So as you guys know, I absolutely love the green strike or light green, I don't know how you want to call that, black and green Off-White Nike rubber dunks that I recently bought and reviewed on this channel. I feel that it is one of the most comfortable Off-White sneakers you can ever buy. It's one of the most comfortable dunks you can ever wear, and the fact that it is made by Virgil, the futuristic design, the color blocking, it's really a shoe that I love, and it's like I love it so much that I want to complete all three colors. So I have the black green, which is I think like the Northern America exclusive. The white blue I think is a European exclusive, and this is actually the Asian exclusive Off-White rubber dunks. So this one is in size 12, and it comes in that same shiny silver box with the cheese holes all over it. You pop it open, you have that same yellow tissue paper, and then 1, 2, 3, bam! We'll just strip the paper. But yeah, take a look at how insane that yellow gold is. So let's take a closer look. I actually unboxed like a smaller size of this already in a previous episode. So this is like my size. So I'll be doing an on-feet review of this pair very soon. So watch out for that. So as you guys can see, you have multiple types of materials for the upper. A mix of mesh, a mix of leather, some sort of like harder rubber overlay. You have university yellow and university gold, alternating spots of black on near the lacing system. You have the address of Nike on the medial side, and you have that three-dimensional like swoosh on the lateral side. You have this suede covered zip tie, which is a nice addition. If people love it, they can keep it. I usually wear my black green dunks without this one anymore. You have, of course, the visible air unit here back at the back of the heel, and you have the black midsole and outsole. So overall, it's a really loud, crazy shoe. It's a type of sneaker that will obviously draw stares, and it's definitely not for everyone. But hey, if you love the silhouette and if you're looking for a pair that kind of screams a little bit, that kind of pops, then obviously a yellow pair of kicks will do the job for you. This one also comes with extra white laces, so you can rock it with yellow or you can rock it with just the white one. So this is the last item that I want to share with you from Off-White, the Off-White Nike rubber dunks in university gold or yellow. Now, before we wrap up the episode, I just want to unbox one more item. So this one was actually sent over to me by Scrub Daddy Philippines. So to those who don't know, Scrub Daddy is a cleaning product that became super famous in the US when it appeared on Shark Tank. It got, I think, they were funded by Lori Grenier, and they become like a massive success. And it's amazing that they finally found their way here in the Philippines. So they sent me this pack of like cleaning products, which looks really cool and awesome. I'll link down below to their Instagram account just in case you guys want to check them out. So we have over here the traditional color Scrub Daddy. So it's like some sort of sponge that you can use to clean all of your different kitchenware over here. So you see the tag over there, and then you have this one, which is another color. This one is in some sort of silver or gray. Now, they actually also have a product for sneakers, which I think the reason they sent this package over. And this is the Eraser Daddy 10X with scrubbing gems. Now, apparently, it's supposed to clean your shoes from the typical stains. All you have to do is to wet it a little bit with warm water, and then it's supposed to do the job. So this one, we have the Eraser Daddy 10X with scrubbing gems. We have 2 packs of that as well. Thank you, Scrub Daddy Philippines. If you guys want to check their products out, I will link down below to their Instagram account. And that actually wraps up the vlog for today. Very straightforward, very simple unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed. My hair is really messy. I need a haircut. Yeah, I know. Make sure that you guys hit that subscribe button. Follow me on Instagram. Check the giveaway mechanics over at my IG. And look for the post where I'm wearing like a blue jacket and holding like a bunch of phones. That's where you should check out, because that's where you can possibly win like mystery boxes from me as well as other stuff. Okay, so this is Carlo signing out. I hope you guys are doing great. As usual, peace, God bless. What's up? Boom.